Have you made a great video for Facebook and all you want to do is add a little bit of music to put that video up over the top? But you're not sure what music you can use because maybe you've had a Facebook copyright strike, maybe you've had the audio stripped out, all kinds of things can happen. So you want to make sure before you post that video, you've got music that isn't going to cause you problems. Hey, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to take you and show you exactly where you can get music for that Facebook video. And you won't have to worry about copyright strikes or any of the other problems. But I want to talk to you about a few things because some people have the idea that if they write, I do not own the rights to this music, that's going to get them out of trouble with the copyright holder. I got a video about that if you want to check it out. Sometimes people think, oh, if I've bought it on iTunes, I've heard it on the radio, maybe you own the CD. Heck, if you're my age, you may even own the vinyl. Still can't use it, people. That gives you the right to listen to it, to enjoy it yourself, not to use it in any kind of production. So when you make a video, don't use it thinking, I paid 99 cents for this song, I can do what I want with it. Nope, doesn't work that way. So I want you to be aware of this because Facebook has implemented a content ID system and it's getting better all the time. I have had mine dinged and I thought I was good to go, but I wasn't. So I've really paid more attention. And I know that sometimes what happens is you're out at an event, you're with family, something, and you're like, oh, there's just a few seconds of music in there. They could pick it up, strip the audio, or put ads to the copyright holder on your page. Yeah, we don't want that either. So let's look at exactly where you can get free music. You can use it on your Facebook videos, and they won't ding you for it. So let's go on over and get you hooked up so that you don't have to worry about that anymore. Okay, so here we are on my Facebook business page. And when you're logged in as administrator, what I want you to do is come up over here and look for Creator Studio and click that. Now, once you're on your Creator Studio page, what I'm going to have you do is go to the left-hand side and look for Sound Collection. And as you can see here, there's music. This is Facebook approved music that you are allowed to use for free. You can download it so then you can edit, you put it in your editor, whatever you need to do with it. You can listen to each song here, pick your genres, pick your moods, how long it is, and whether or not you want vocals. You can also choose male or female vocals if you want some singing in there. They also have sound effects, which, same thing, they don't have everything, but when you use this music, you're better off. If you want to download, you're simply going to hit the download button when you find the song you like. So from your Facebook page, you go to Creator Studio, and then you look for Sound Collection. Okay, so I know the choices may not be the latest and greatest song that you love, but if you're making that video for a business, anything where it counts, you don't want to have to stress over it. Take the time to look through the music, find what you need, maybe pick out a few of your favorites, download them so they're handy, and there you go. You don't have to worry. Put your video up. You are not going to get in a heap of trouble. And if they send you a copyright of some sort, you can battle it easily. I mean, they did tell you you could use it, but it's Facebook. And one other thing, If you think you can use the same music from YouTube that you use on Facebook and not get a copyright strike, wrong. YouTube and Facebook are not the same. They have different music that they are allowed to use and that they allow you to use. So don't think because you made a video, posted it on YouTube with their music, that it's going to work on Facebook. Doesn't work that way, peeps. Don't do it. Get your music from Facebook. Make everything kosher. Go on about your day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell button, and if you got questions about your Facebook page, let me know, and I'll see if I can answer them for you.